Now, I want you to get a load of this because I think it's pretty amazing. Calendula, otherwise known as pot marigold, is actually an old-fashioned flower. I don't know if the pioneers grew these or not, but they go a long, long way back. And they're very easy to grow, and you can sow the seed now, even though there may be some frost in your area between now and, well, next fall, I suppose. Don't worry about it. They actually tolerate a little bit of frost, and I'm going to plant them right into the garden right here. But the first thing I'm going to do is put some of this stuff in. These are earthworm castings, and I'm just going to put them in a row right here. And the interesting thing is they're big, and they're not that hard to they're not that hard to see, and they're easy to sow. Just get right down there and sow them. I don't know, 4 or 5 inches apart. That's about it. And then I'm going to cover them in soil, and then I'm going to water them, and I'm going to watch them grow. And I want you to notice something. 99 cents. 99 cents. It's a home hardware product, but you know, it's not an expensive seed, in other words. And I'm going to get a whole row of flowers from them. I can cut them and bring them indoors. And while we're kind of making our way through COVID-19 and trying to figure out how we're going to feed ourselves in the months to come, they're edible. Imagine, 99 cents. They look great. Cut them, bring them indoors. They look terrific in the garden, and you can eat them. Really. In the garden, miracles never cease. Mark Cullen, markcullen.com.